So hi friends, just sharing it with you. I'm just preparing this ragda. So so I've got this boiled, the watana boil, the white one. It has to be boiled first only. Then I've got this tadka masala, the chili and curry patta and that you have. And I've got the masala. Yeah, you can put garam masala and the normal dhania, jeera, pepper. That's a normal masala. Yeah, you can put garam masala if you want. And I've got the tadka masala here. That is the anise seeds and the jeera, rye. Yeah, and some elaichi. If you like to put elaichi for the flavor, you can still put. Yeah, I've got all this. So all this has to be ready. Prior. I've got some lime juice. I've still got some more, and I've got some tomato pulp as well. Yeah, I'll share with you. So friends, I'm just going to prepare this. So first, I'll just put in the chatka masala. Yeah, so put in the chatka masala first, and I'll put in the chatka masala that I kept here. Put in some of this garlic. Yeah, I put in some of this garlic. Yeah, so I put the tadka masala. I put that. I put in some garlic, and I'll also use some garlic from here. Yeah, some ginger, some garlic from here. This is because this is ready made. It has got water content. But if you do yourself, you can grind in oil. Yeah. Just put in some salt here. Make it slow because it's plastic. Yeah, then I just put in this. So I just put in this. Now I put in the masala, the spice. Yeah, this one. So masala. So I just fry the masala and the aroma comes. I put in the garlic and I put in this masala. And then I put in the tomato. Yeah. And like I told you, I've got the tadka masala. Yeah. So you do like this. Yeah. Nice aroma is coming. So I'm putting the masala. Yeah. So I put in all the masala. So I just fry it here. See guys. See I put in all the masala and just frying it. Yeah. Just put in some little bit more oil. Yeah. See, I'm just frying the masala. Don't burn it, yeah? Make the stove very slow. You don't have to burn the masala. Now I'm just mixing it up nicely. See? Mixing it up nicely. Just fry it nicely. And I'm getting the aroma nicely. So then I will put in this tomato puree. See? Now you don't have to worry. Once you put this, then make it fast, yeah? So this has to be very well cooked till the oil comes out, the tomato, yeah? I'll just get it 1 second. YouTube, see how the oil has come out from here? It has to fry like this. See here? Yeah? It has to fry like this. Yeah, you can see now. So the tomato has to fry nicely, and the oil has to release. Yeah. Then you put in the ragda. Yeah. I should share with you. See friends, how I'm frying so well. Yeah. See here, like that. Yeah. So I'm frying it very well, the thing. And now I'll put in the ragda, yeah? Now it's no problem, you can make it fast and quick. So friends, just sharing with you. So now it is boiling like this. See, you can see it boiling. So I'll put in the water, just the water of the beans and all. So you can put how thick you want it. So I think this should be enough, yeah? So like this consistency, or if you like it thicker, then you do it according to your taste, yeah? Okay, so I've done it like that, and I'll put some coriander on it, yeah? Just share it with you friends. Just taste for so nice usal I've made, see, ragda, very easy. So the thing is now I'll cook it till a little bit oil comes on the top. So now I put in the little bit of coriander, some I kept for garnishing here, yeah? So now I'll cook it till the oil comes. When it boils, I'll make it slow, and for 10 minutes I'll cook it. Yeah, and I'll share with you. More later. Bye. My ragda is ready. See here? It's come so nicely. Now I'm just cooking it. I'll make it a little bit fast for a little bit, and I will just over it now. Yeah, I'm just sharing it. You see? or nicer ragda stuff. Yeah. So please do try and make it and let me know. Yeah. Put the stove everything off. So sharing it with your friends is going off to feel my birds now. So I finished the cooking and made just one dish. Yeah. Sharing it. You see how nice it's come. See. Yeah. Go later. Bye.